Hello. Welcome to my stream number 85. It's late night talks with romantic developer, and today is our 85th part of our streams. I have a challenge for myself to have at least 152 days of the stream. It's mostly half a year. It's 5 months. Oh, I need to, check that sound is off. I have my phone ready, so I would see if someone say hi. By the way, if you are here, if you join the stream, please say hi. Um, it would be a pleasure for me. So to understand that someone joined me, sent me some wishes, thanks, thoughts, and so on. Or you just could just say +1 or something. Okay, so as usual, I will say that soon that stream will obtain video chapters, video sections right here. It will contain topics we discussed during the stream, especially if the stream is pretty long. So you could navigate through different topics of your interest using that video chapters. They created not fully by me, but by artificial intelligence, but it do it pretty good so far. So yeah, please use them to jump right into action of your choice. What else? Today was my first day after my vacation, and it was pretty aggressive schedule for me, and at the same time not too good feelings. I mean, not too good health feelings. So I'm still recovering from some cold I got on the cruise. So of course it was not so simple to work when you had continue to wave with imaginary waves from the ocean. Hopefully hopefully I would recover soon. So yeah, it's about my news. As usual, about daily reflection. For daily reflections, I start I looked through multiple emails and opened multiple websites, and also I opened some website like Netflix because it's start to pop up. I have some pop-ups available in my browser on my home computer. And I noticed that the second part of movie platform 2, and platform first, I couldn't say it was some boom for me, but it's display really well what moves people, what moves a lot of people right now, and explain a lot why we have wars, why we have conflicts, why we couldn't live happily on the earth when there are so many resources and so many possibilities. Yes, possibilities to go to the earth, to the stars. I'm sorry, to the earth as well, deep to the earth, to the oceans, and do some very cool stuff like science, art, some culture events, and so on and so on. So I read multiple books, science fiction or science or just fiction books in my childhood, where people imagine how the world looked like in 2000 something. And I read many, it's called in our language utopia, utopia. And yeah, what I see is that nothing like that happening. Vice versa, everything go just another loop, historic loop. Again wars, again conflicts, again people couldn't agree on very simple things, and so on and so on. So the same problems humanity lives the last 1,000 years, thousands, many multiple 1,000 years, yeah, raising again and again. And no, even you see, even with the space exploration, like moon, of course we did a great progress, but even for moon, like we were like 50 years ago on the moon, and now again we just thinking about that maybe if everything will go nice, smooth, and okay, maybe in the next 4 years we will be able to go to the moon again. I understand that moon exploration doesn't bring a lot of money right now, and that's why it's not so, we are still not there. But see, 50 years, it's a great amount of time in our era. If you just trying to remember what phones we used 50 years ago, or what computers, it's a great leap. But with space exploration, no, because yeah, it requires slightly more money, but if from computers you could benefit immediately on warfield. By the way, from space exploration, like Elon Musk Starlink, you know, without it, Ukraine wouldn't resist Russia so long, wouldn't be so successful on that field. So space technologies, of course, are very important even now, even in wars. And probably, as you know, all that rockets like 8, we call it ATOMAX, but ATAMCK something AS or some, yeah, and even HIMARS and others, all that rockets which fly short distance along, they all use space navigation like GPS and other systems just to be very close to the target or right to the target. So yeah, it's all important, but you people can invest something when they benefit, and war is where people benefit a lot, unfortunately. And not some cool exploration, like even discovering something on not so distant planets in our solar system, which have a lot of resources, which have a lot of miracles. But no, we better invest in another fabric to produce tons of ammunition or ammo for war, rather than invest something into explore miracles and beauties of our world. Okay, so it's about time for my to conduct my reflections. So yeah, my reflection is movie platform. I just remember that how I saw the first part. Probably I would recommend people who could do that. It probably everyone should see movies like that. Yeah. Okay, so what we will switch to the next topic. And next topic would be return to our project, where we try to build something which could execute it locally. I'm sorry. something which could be executed locally to download video from YouTube, transcribe it, and execute LLM to get to execute some prompts, to get some descriptions, to get some title ideas, to get keywords and so on. So everything which could be useful for our needs. Let's switch to my screen. Let's switch to my screen. And basically, we probably switch not only to the screen, but also to the screen. So we could switch between them like that and like that. Okay. So let's remember what we've done before. We've done some code which we have in download files and in running LLM on the downloaded files. We need to combine it into one. We need to combine it into one file. And right now we finished that for running LLM. We're using some Python script. Yeah, and idea is to return and set, put everything into batch files. So we could try different approaches. We could run different approaches. And first approach would be to execute everything as batch files. Maybe not so effective, not so fast, but it's possible to execute on every computer. And yeah, part of our prerequisites is Python right now, but for some reason, I don't want us to go into any programming language except batch files. Batch files are something exist longer than Windows exists. It exists starting from MS-DOS operational system, and MS-DOS started really early, I believe 1980. Of course, we could ask, oh no, my session expired. Let's see. Hi. Okay, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll log in. It's my full ChatGPT. So I just want to log in here in some privacy. And we'll start our conversation with ChatGPT to try, and we'll try to write all the code what we need in one file and execute it. So let's switch back. Looks like I'm okay. I'm not Anna. I already told that, but yeah, because I wrote something for my wife Anna, it's thinking I'm Anna as well. So when does first version of MS-DOS started? So something like that. I don't know how to ask this question. Oh, actually not 1980, but 1981. To IBM personal computer, IBM PC, 86 DOS, and Microsoft purchased from Seattle Computer Product, and MS-DOS 1.0 was a simple command line operation system designed to run on 8086 microprocessor. So, and quickly become the dominant operation system for IBM compatible PCs in 1980s. Yeah, so it started from 81. I just want to double check to make sure that I'm not saying you any new information. So let's start new chat, and let's go here and remember what we are going to develop. And here we have our VSTS. So it is our project somewhere. Do we have anything? Okay, we need to sign in once again in our VSTS. It would be like pink, violet. So it's our local POC. Let's go back and say, hi, I need to create a batch file which could be used to do the following. Yes. I have some working parts of it. Downloading a file from YouTube is. So let's go back and let's go here, and we have download one. Let's see if we have download one. Okay. So download one. Let's go back and say here. Oh, no, we copied something wrong. Let's try once again and copy. Okay. And executing LLM on the file like this. Let's go to our LLM tool. And we need not LLM2 but LLM. Okay, Control C, Control copy. And it's not the proper file. Copy. Come on. How to copy that thing? Maybe it needs some time to do actual copy. Oh, actually it's here. Okay. Where? Run LLM PI is S, and I want all functionality to be in a batch file. From executing OpenAI SDK, please use curl and not source version and not Python code. Okay, let's try. We just specified everything we want, and we as well will test that Python new ChatGPT for or canvas functionality. So let's see if it actually could do what it actually could do and what we could, how we can benefit from using canvas. Okay, so it's combining everything into workflow. Let's go to command line. Oh, it's not that same computer. We need to go here. Let's clear the screen and see if we have curl. Oh, we have some. Okay, so we could execute some services in our batch file using curl by default. Okay, so let's see what it proposes. So it asks your YouTube URL, sanitize, create some folders, then just create folder if it doesn't exist. Move the file we download into that folder and go through all the configuration we have in our folder. Okay, and get the configuration config number, trying to get to that folder with and read all the configuration. What else? Okay, then we say model and try to execute transcribed file, video title if needed, and video title. Do we set video title before? Yeah, it's nice if you do it very big. It's, yeah, but I like that more when we have some code here, some code here. It's reminding me about how Copilot, GitHub Copilot is working in Visual Studio Code. So Whisper, and we provide output formats, where to put it. Then we said, okay, Whisper file not found, processing prompts, page prompt. We using prompt content, and then we call OpenAI completion with our token, model, prompt content, and user input, transcribed file text. And process complete, and we just, with prompt name txt, and user content, prompt content equals prompt content use back q in p for each prompt txt. Oh, okay. So what we could do, we could copy that, go to our file, and maybe we could even create new file and save it as all, but so it would be everything. Next step, would be find some YouTube video which is really short. So short, but probably it's basically not dialogue but monologue. 135. Okay, it's basically first thing I found. Let's come here and let's copy that. And let's go here and just execute all. Let's see how it will behave. So it's downloading really quickly. So it's videos you understand. And configuration would be 1. Usage and whisper already not good. Okay, whisper output files not found in video. Let's see what we have here. Video and short dramatic monologue. You understand. Okay. So let's try to go back. Let's try to go back to our ChatGPT and see how it could fix something in text. So we downloading somewhere here video title. And let's ask ChatGPT, can you please prove it? For example, for video title like let's copy video title. Oh no, where is that? Can you improve this? Example for video with title. It's creating symbols in the past. Okay, let's see how it could do. So as you see, it's like going here, editing, and that's it. I've updated the sanitization logic to replace an invalid characters with an underscore. But it will not work for some reason on my computer at least. Let's verify. Okay. Let's go here and copy that once again. And let's try to execute once again all. It would be downloaded. Maybe we could do so. Let's see. It's created afterwards. By the way, you understand, so dramatic monologue actually looks pretty good. So file itself looks great, but folder is bad. So let's copy that folder name, copy as a pass, and let's return and ask that once again. File downloaded fine with good name, but folder it not good. From previous sample it is folder which is not good for the person. Let's see. So I believe they still, I updated the code. Oh, hey. Is it the whole code? How to remove the citation? Yes, for now. Hey. Come on. Add comment, add logs, bug fix, portal language, and what is that? It's commenting. Can you show the full code? Oh, I want here. So let's see. It's included that changes here. So, but here is not full code. Now it's it's basically some comments. And before it is as code here. Okay, interesting. So you see, it's not as good as it could be for sure. Where's my all? I close that file here. Looks like yes. So let's try to execute, but most probably it wouldn't be good. I could remove those files. Let's try once again. All, and we want that video file. And let's see. So MP3 file is perfect. Video folder is not. So deleting original file, okay, but system couldn't find the file specified because we couldn't copy it here. So sanitize title, sanitized title is still working, but would you consider any other option? Let's see if it could provide us anything which will work better. Oh, I updated the code to use PowerShell for sanitizing video title, which should provide better handling. So yeah, yes, it's true. And here we basically execute PowerShell command and replace all the characters with underscore. Let's try to copy. And see if it will work. So let's replace, let's save, and let's go to our playground once again and execute all. Provide our file name, our YouTube. Oh, and it couldn't download because it's already here. Still couldn't find the file specified. Let's just something. It's not a Python. Okay, so let's see. Let's go here and do some clean run. Let's actually remove everything from this folder. Let's just do very clean run. So it's created MP4A, rename it to MP3, and it now you understand short dramatic monologue. It's better. Its folder is cool. So let's see the piece where we trying to copy to the folder. Move video title to video folder. I know. Moving of the file doesn't work, but we add more login so I identify issue here and enable them. Let's see. It should leave everything as is, except under 6 it should add some login. Okay, let's copy and let's go back. Again, I feel that everything we do in here would be faster in Visual Studio Code with enabled GitHub subscription, but I'm just trying to use that canvas. So let's try to use it. So clear the screen, all, and file, but oh no. cancel. Again, clears the screen. We don't have anything. All and executing. So it should create that file here. Cool. And then it should create folder. The system cannot find. Oh, folder is again not good. The video you So basically it's some encoding. Let's see what we have here. I see the next output. Let's don't sync. Let's ask ChatGPT to sync for us. So it's replacing everything using PowerShell, creating folder, make dir, move downloaded file, attempt to move, failed to move, or moved successfully. And then we continue from there. So it's improved sanitization process and add some logic to lock. So it should be good. I'm sorry. I'm trying to view something. Okay. So return to here and let's insert the updated code. Okay, let's go here and remove that file at all. No. Yes, I want to remove that. Let's start from beginning. So it will download that file here. Extract, call mp3 file. Attempting to creating folder. You understand short dramatic monologue. It's fine, it's created. No, it's even created 2 folders. Attempting to move file to video, you understand. Let's see. Now I see the next output. Let's see. Maybe it's not a good title, but come on. Let's just make better code here. Video file to video folder sanitize title mp3 and video file video folder here, the lim sanitize title, file name title set video file equals 1. Looks like it should work, but maybe just my computer. Let's just try again. Okay, clear everything. Now go remove everything from the folder. All go with our file. It's downloaded. Downloaded. Removed some file. Creating folder you understand without underscore. Okay, attempting to move. So at least it's trying to move some in different format. Let's say that. Okay. I have output. It trying to find. I have only. Can you fix? Maybe it's too complex code for it. So what we've downloaded, actual file name with extension from the download command, get file name, video file. Sanitize, create folder, video file. Move file, video file to video sanitizing mp3, video file. Looks like it's the same issue. Let's try to just update and see where it goes. So we download mp3 file, we create folder monologue mp3, attempting to move file videos you understand, short dramatic monologue mp3 to so echo, attempting to move video file. So let's ask ChatGPT here. Can we look video file with all its special characters? Investigate the issue. Extracted video file name, video file. So, but I believe Eka maybe not the best thing, but yeah, let's see. It's what we have. And save all. And before executing all, I just remove it. And look what we have. File is downloaded. Okay, MP3 is the only file. And let's see. Extracted video file name is you understand short dramatic monologue MP3. Creating folder. What we could do, we could choose those things. And ask ChatGPT, can you sanitize file name and then download from YouTube using this sanitize. Sorry. We will work with let's see. So you saw I just choose what I want for ChatGPT to apply my knowledge, my prompt, and it's edited it here. So initially it's getting file name, then it's trying to use a command replace, which is PowerShell. Then it's trying to download file into the video sanitized title MP3, and then it tried to move it somewhere. Yeah, I think some extra code here why we couldn't move it immediately, but we could do it the next thing. So remove, go here and clean the screen, execute what we have. It will download the file, and it should download immediately file in sanitized format. Now it's working much better. It's working, you see. Okay, so we still need to apply some of our brain a little, but still to apply it, because of course we could ask ChatGPT some questions. Hey, I still couldn't do that. Could you think about all possible choices and apply them one by one? And probably it could help us figure out something which will work. But we just think a little, and human asked ChatGPT good question, and it did it for us. So we didn't write a line of the code, you saw it. But we look at the code and we try to understand it and still say, hey, since we do that, why we couldn't do that? And here we probably will have some problems. GTP, so some problems with Whisper. So let's resolve problems with Whisper, and probably that it would be it for that stream. And the next day, maybe tomorrow, we will complete full batch implementation for that Azure AI helper when we execute something like a service, OpenAI service in not locally. So let's go here. Okay, let's go here and say I have issues on executing Whisper is. Actually, we could resolve it ourselves, but let's see how it will change. Okay, it understands that output format all is good, output dir is good. Cool. So maybe it's even fixed it already. Oh, you see how nice small kangaroo is that? It's very beautiful. Okay, as usual, go here, replace, let's check that it's replaced what we need. It would be in Whisper here. Transcribed file. Okay, maybe. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Of course, later we could say, hey, if it's already exists, don't do it, but now let's just try to execute everything. Again, we download in that file in MP3 format because we don't need video right now. So we downloading it and put it here. So choose some configuration, and right now it should execute Whisper. Okay, and Whisper saying that future warning, you're using torch load with wait only false, bam. We recommend to start setting waits only true for use case where you don't have full control of loaded file. Okay, now at least you see that it start to transform English, and let's see how long that video is. It's about 1 minute 36 seconds. So it's already 49 seconds. And what is, you understand? Yeah, I mean, of course, you'd say that it's such a typical thing for a therapist. You say, you know, that let's just cut the problem. That's stupid. I know that you could care less. That yeah, locally it doesn't work fast because we haven't provided anything, any video graphic card, and as you know, yeah, everything AI loves graphical card, and it's have some invalid things here. So we will look into the executing processing prompts just slightly later, tomorrow. Let's see what we have in our folder. In our folder, we have everything we need. So we have mp3 file, we have txt file. If we open it with Notepad, yeah, it would be what the girls say. If we open a SRT file, it would be the same, but with the marker of times. Yeah. And if we want like JSON, it's the most complex format. If we probably, how we could, oh, it's some search. Come on, clipboard. Okay, we have plugins for JSON tool, and we could just JSON format. It show all the text, and then it show it on each segment with start and text. It's find tokens. It's extracted, and cool thing it has, it's probably some temperature and something like no speech probability. So how probable that person just silent, and also it should have something like average log probability. Yeah, I don't know, different for different models, but it could have some coefficient about how sure whisper is that what it's shown here is actually what person said. So yeah, I will not go into the details. We will use mostly, yeah, it's identified language as English. So, and we don't provide anything like language here, correct? Whisper, output format, output dir. Yeah, we don't provide anything like that here. Cool. So what we have, we at least could execute, and we'll try on some more interesting titles, like titles from my streams next time, which maybe not so yeah, containing some icons or so, and let's see how it will work. So right now what we've done today, we understand how to download files and how to put it into the proper folder, sanitize it using just batch files without any Python or anything else. Batch files plus plus of course PowerShell script, which is much more powerful than batch itself. So we're using it for sanitization, and it's worked better than everything before. And then we just execute in Whisper. For Whisper execution, we will make sure that we execute with some parameters next time and see how to execute LLM our models with like, yeah, with text like before. Probably we create some simple configuration with just one simple prompt. So to just test things out, and once we test everything, we will be ready to share that configuration probably with you, so you could test it locally as well, and maybe it will be useful for you. So yeah, we will do fully working end-to-end solution, and probably we could share it after that. Maybe we even use something like GitHub to share that first version of our comprehensive solution. Okay, as usual, we talked a lot about, not a lot, but we talk a little about human nature. I wish you to be different kind of human nature than displayed for most persons in platform movie. So be calm, be wisdom, be heartful, and give to your loved ones and people surrounding you your gifts of love, acceptance, and calm, of course. Build cozy environment around yourself, and especially keep your internal environment, your soul, in very calm and cozy mode as well. See you whenever you are ready, but I'll try to stream tomorrow at 10 PM PST. If something will change, I will stream tomorrow at 10 something PST or maybe 11 PST. But I'll try not to do it too late. Even if it's late developer talks, I'll try to do it not much later than 10 PST. So I think that's it. See you later.